Hello sir, now I am going to tell you 5 Es6 related interview question with answer. Number 1 is, tell me about Es6. My answer is, the full form of Es6 is ECMAScript 6. It is also known as ECMAScript 2015. It is the newer version of JavaScript. It was released in 2015. Es6 introduced several key features like const, let, arrow function, default parameter, spread operator, and a lot more. With the help of this, we can write less and do more. So we can say ES6 help us a lot. My second question is, what are the difference between var, let, and const? My answer is, the difference between these are, var variable is a functional scope. On the other hand, let and const variable are block scope. Var variable can be updated and re-declared. Let variable can be updated but cannot be re-declared. Const variable cannot be updated or re-declared. Now, my third question is, what will you use? Why will you use default parameters? My answer is, actually in JavaScript, default function parameter allow us to initialize named parameters with default values if no values or undefined are passed into the function. So if I give a default parameter value, then the default parameter value will be applied if I don't pass the parameter value. My fourth question is, what is API? Difference between GET versus POST. And my answer is, the full form of API is Application Programming Interface. To speak plainly, an API is the messenger that takes request and tells a system what you want to do and then returns the response back to you. Difference between GET versus POST. The GET is used to request data from a specified resource, while the POST method is used for the creation of new resource on the server. My fifth question is, how will you debug a JavaScript application? And my answer is, debug is the process of testing, finding, and reducing bugs in a computer program. If we want to debug a JavaScript application, we have to follow some steps and need to be patient. Debugging is just a patient game, nothing else. Well, the steps are given below. First, we have to check which work occurs the errors. We can go to console to see if there are any errors. From those errors, we have to find some hints or clues. Second, we have to use breakpoint. We have to find where the bug is stopped. From there, we have to move in a reverse way. We can use breakpoint in the code in order to find any clue. If we can't find anything in the reverse way, then we have to find from which work caused the bug and move from there to downward. And last, we have to think from a different angle, and we need to be really patient. That's all from me. Thank you very much, sir.